Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to the classroom. Where the heck am I? Tallahassee, Florida, the state capital. Well, what do I want to tell you today? You need to pull up a chair. You need to grab a seat. You need to take some time for your future, because here's part of the problem. People want a difference. People have to make a difference. People need to make a difference. People want to have something more in life, and each day you wake up, you think, will today be the day? I want to tell you, it can be the day if you commit. If you commit today to making today the day that you decide to change something in your life, you can do it. You got to pull up a chair. You got to get serious. You got to become a student. You got to learn, whether you like reading, watching videos, going to real estate clubs. You got to figure out what you're going to do. Every plan is a little bit different. Everybody learns different. Some people like listening to audio, some people like watching video, some people like reading books, some people like learning hands-on, like by going to real estate clubs or training events, that sort of thing. So what I want you to decide is, if you really want to make a difference today, what are you going to do to make a difference, number one. Number two, how much time are you going to commit? Everybody wants it to happen, but they feel like, oh, I don't have the time. I know we're all busy. But if you make the time, you can commit and you can make this happen. So go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.